Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. This time I will have two mini Sephora favorites. Are those two. They had actually three of them, three different ones, but when I checked the website they had just two left. One of them was sold out in no time. Those are Sephora Favorites Mystery Lip Kit. Is this one right here. And the second one is Sephora Favorites Mystery Eyeliner Kit. Is this one. Each of them it's $16. Let's see first what we have in here. We're supposed to have two products plus a bonus, a makeup mystery item, and as a bonus we have a Sephora pin. So this is the first one, the lip kit, and let's see what we have in this one. So in the first one we have three products plus that pin. Let me take this out so I can show this to you. This one says makeup for I wake up for makeup. Really cute. And let's see what are the products in here. We have a NARS product, and let me look at the details here on the back. About the NARS product, this is Power Matte Lip Pigment in Star Woman. I see more products on the back here, so probably those are different bags. I don't know what to tell you. Here is the color for this one. Pretty nice color. So this is the first product. It's the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. Then we have a Bite product, and this one is from Bite Beauty. We have Multi-Stick in Almond. Is this one. And let's see the color for this one. It's a nude color. Very creamy. And the third item in here, it's a Kat Von D product, and this is Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Ludwig, which is this one. And let's see the color for this one. I will try them on in another video. This is another nude. Looks like this. So here is the color of this one, the Kat Von D. So far pretty nice colors in here in this bag. 3 lipsticks and the pin. So this was the first bag, the mystery lip kit. And let's go ahead and see what we have in the other one, in the mystery eyeliner kit, which comes as this one with a pin and two products and a mystery one. So in this one the pin is different. They say to collect those. Let's see how this one looks. Is this pretty cute hand with swatches. I hope you can see this one. Really cute. And we get in this one, we have a Stila product, and this is Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black. Is this guy right here, and let me show you the tip. very fine tip, which I really like, because I'm using a very thin line when it's possible, when I have the right tool. So far I do like this one. I love the tip for this one. Then we have a Kat Von D product, and this one is the tattoo liner. Here is the tip for this one. For some reason I'm not a fan of the Kat Von D tattoo liner, so the second line is the tattoo liner from Kat Von D. And the last one, which was a mystery product, it's Sephora Crayon Contour, is the Contour Eye Pencil 12 hour wear, is the waterproof one. And here is this one, it's a bigger size than the other two. And let's swatch this one, is the pencil type, but so far it's very creamy. So I like those, especially for the waterline. So 3 products in here, plus this cute pin, the Sephora eyeliner, the still liquid eyeliner, and the tattoo from Kat Von D. So that's all in those 2 kits. They are still available on the Sephora website. I will leave the link down below if you wanna check them. So that's kind of all for this short video. Again, here are the colors for these 6 products. I hope they will have back in stock the makeup one. I believe was a blush one, because I saw some NARS product in that one also. This one was pretty nice, but maybe they will have that back in stock. So that's kind of all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.